Dr. Barrett here. I'm excited to announce my new Barrett recovery kit. You guys, this thing is incredible. It's got everything you could possibly need to recover after your surgery. And I handpicked all these things in here. We've even included some freebies like my Love Ice Pack, suture removal kit, gauze, saline, Curlex wrap, pill containers. Like, check out this awesome thermometer. Like, it's not like this cheap thing. It's like a real deal thing. It's something that I would use myself. We put it all in here for you so that in case you're undergoing a surgical procedure, you have everything that you could possibly need to recover from that. Now, this is something that we have for all of our patients here in our office, and it's something that you should definitely consider getting prior to you undergoing the surgery so that you have everything at home that you could possibly need. Now, if you went to CVS or you went to one of the drugstores to get all this stuff individually, it would be like triple the price. And so we were able to use our bulk purchasing discount to get all of it together for you at a discount. If not having surgery, it's also a fantastic first aid kit. It's got really good quality stuff in it.